Have you ever wondered why some brands seem to be everywhere online? From your Facebook feed to Google searches, these brands have mastered the art of digital marketing. But what is it that makes these campaigns so successful? Take the case of the popular coffee chain Starbucks. In 2021, Starbucks launched a digital marketing campaign called Starbucks Summer Game. This campaign offered Starbucks customers a chance to win prizes by playing an online game. This strategy aimed to increase customer engagement and, in turn, boost the brand's online visibility. Starbucks used a variety of digital marketing techniques in this campaign. One notable strategy was the use of social media. Starbucks shared posts about the game on their social media platforms, encouraging their followers to participate. This led to a significant increase in customer engagement, with many followers sharing their game experiences and using the campaign's dedicated hashtag. Email marketing was another key element of the Starbucks Summer Game campaign. Starbucks sent out personalized emails to their customers, inviting them to participate in the game. This not only increased the reach of the campaign, but also created a sense of exclusivity, making customers feel valued. And let's not forget about search engine optimization, or SEO. Starbucks optimized their website and blog posts for relevant keywords related to the summer game. This helped the campaign get found on search engines, increasing its visibility to potential participants. Starbucks also used data analytics to monitor the campaign's performance. This allowed them to identify which marketing techniques were most effective and adjust their strategy accordingly. For example, if they saw that social media posts were generating more engagement than emails, they could focus more on social media in the future. So what can we learn from the success of Starbucks' Summer Game campaign? First, a successful digital marketing campaign requires a multi-pronged approach. It's not enough to just use one marketing technique. By leveraging social media, email marketing, SEO, and data analytics, Starbucks was able to reach a wide audience and increase engagement. Second, personalization is key. By sending out personalized emails, Starbucks made their customers feel valued, which in turn encouraged them to participate in the campaign. Third, monitoring and adjusting your strategy is crucial. By using data analytics, Starbucks was able to identify which techniques were most effective and adjust their strategy accordingly. In conclusion, Starbucks' Summer Game campaign is a prime example of a successful digital marketing strategy. It used a combination of techniques, personalized content, and data analytics to engage customers and increase online visibility. So next time you see a brand popping up everywhere online, remember, it's not magic. It's digital marketing.